You are tuning in live with John the Diesel Man and Nydiesels.com, and we've got a special treat for you here, guys. Customer truck we're doing, and wait till you see this truck when it's done. Mike came to us. He had a 99 short bed quad cab, pretty clean truck, but it had a little bit of rust on it. So he wanted all new metal in it, so we put all new metal in it, and right now it's in the first stage of primer. But brand new cab corners, brand new OEM rockers and cab corners, fenders. We also brand new tailgate. We put brand new door bottoms, inner and outer, on these doors. Same with the back doors, and two brand new box sides, OEM factory box sides on this truck. So basically, we built him a new truck. Everything has all new sheet metal. We stripped the hood right down and primed the whole entire hood. Our work is phenomenal. If you would like to have your truck done and you want it done better than anybody else is going to do it, I promise you, come to nydiesels.com. Nobody out there is going to give you the quality that we give you. My guys are the absolute best. They're the best metal guys, welding guys, fabricators, painters. There's almost little to no filler in anything that we do. We can do it all. When you see our trucks when we're done, you see for yourself the quality. He's got about 120 hours in this truck right now. Probably have close to 200 in it when he gets done with it. But the truck's going to be stellar. It's black, and it's going to be amazing, So basically, wherever you are, if you have a truck and it's rusted out and you want everything new on it, call us. If you have a truck that's dented and smacked up and you want it redone, or if your truck's peeling paint or it's faded, or you just want to have a truck like John the Diesel Man, then come to nydiesels.com. Call me, 607-423-7729. Doesn't matter where you're located. We can maybe help with delivery too. If you want your truck to be like one of our Highline trucks, all you have to do is call us or email us, john@nydiesels.com. I guarantee you, you will not get our quality of work done anywhere else. Guys would do these trucks. They do them in a week, maybe 2 weeks. They would not be very straight. They'd be full of filler. Your paint isn't going to last. Our stuff is top level, man. And the refinishing stage is amazing, So everything we do, lots of time and absolute quality, when it goes back together. And I have all the OEM parts for these trucks. So if you want your truck done, but you can't be cheap. If you're cheap, don't come to us because we do quality work and our work costs money, So basically, come to us if you want something done the right way, high quality. nydiesels.com. 607-423-7729. Mike, you're going to be blown away when you get your truck done, dude. You're going to be blown away. Keep your turbo spooling. And you can also buy one of our Highline trucks completely already redone. Now, guys, this paint job is not a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 paint job. For example, just the labor I have to pay my guys is way, way, way up there. You're somewhere between $10,000 to $25,000 to do one of our trucks. Depends what your truck as it starts. If it doesn't need all the panels and all that stuff, well, that saves a lot of time. But if your truck needs what Mike wanted done, it was his decision. It wasn't mine. Could we have saved a few things? Maybe. I don't like to do that. So I said, Mike, we can put all new panels in it. So that's what we did. I do not want rust anywhere. I want new panels, So that's what we did. The bottom of that truck, he bought this truck out of Oklahoma probably like 7 years ago. And it just, it's a little rusty. It got a little rusty. He didn't wash it all the time. But it was very great, perfect candidate for saving. And it's a 5-speed and it's got low miles. So, you know, he'll have this truck forever. So, but make sure you have your money together before you come see us, because our work is top quality. You won't get our work anywhere else. So, you know, it's like that with anything. If you go and you want to cook a meal, you can go buy cheap ingredients or you can go buy the real stuff. You know, the cheap olive oil is like $7. The expensive olive oil is over $100. You know, it just depends what your taste is. We use top shelf ingredients, if you know what I mean. Nydiesels.com.